Hey guys, today's video I'll show you how to cold start the Husqvarna 365 Special as well as the Husqvarna 61. I must say this Husqvarna 365 is a 2014 model and I've only had it for one day. But I know a lot about it, worked with it before, other saws. So I bought mine. And the 61 is a 2006 model, and it has been ran a lot. So what you'll do, cold start with the 61, you put on your on-off switch. See a little arrow there, you see stop, and then that to this side, to the inside, is stop, to the outside like that is on. This is your choke. So what you'll do when your saw is cold, put your on-off switch on that way, pull out your choke all the way, put your foot in here, firm grip on the handlebar with your right hand, like this. Pull out the choke and give it a good jerk. So I didn't pull out the choke now because I've worked with it here, started it, so it is hot. But that's what you do in a cold start. The Husqvarna 365. I haven't ran this one now, so it also has the on-off switch right here. Same thing, choke right here, same thing. So what you'll do, pull out the choke, put on the on-off switch, and this one is not exactly the same as the 61. This one, if you start it with the choke out, you'll hear the ignition fire and you'll push in the choke, and make sure you engage your chain brake, like so. Because if you don't, the chain's going to start spinning. But if you have ran your saw and it's hot and you don't pull out the choke, the chain won't spin. So that's one thing. So put on the on-off switch, pull out the choke, put your foot in here, chain brake on, pull it, hear the ignition fire, push it back. Just tap the throttle and it should go straight to idle. I just love these 365s. Brilliant little saws. So let's do a couple of cuts here with it. Start with the 61. Both of these saws have 18-inch barn chains on them. Okay, so that is the 61. Let's try the 365.